Hello, my name is Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Today on I want to take us through how to overcome shyness in 4 quick steps. Number 1, be confident. Act confident. Wow, we want to not be shy, and I'm saying be confident like it's that easy. Yes, and I can tell you it's that easy because nobody really knows how you are feeling inside. So you can act it, and within a very short time, you can become it. Number 2, act curious. Communicate your curiosity. How are you? What's your name again? Please, can you spell your name for me? All right. People are drawn to those who show genuine interest in them. Number 3, do not throw yourself a pity party with your group of social friends or your social friends that you're trying to get integrated with. I know people don't like me here. I know I talk too much. Not really enjoying myself here. Nobody really wants to hear all that, all right? So just save it and get yourself excited. Wow, it's good to be here. People will love you for that. Now, finally, avoid the bullies. There are some real adults out there who are still bullies. They did not get the memo to drop their childish acts. So avoid people who put you down when you are in their midst. Passive-aggressive commentators, avoid people like that. And practice make perfect. In time, you'll begin to overcome your shyness and join a good social circle. Thank you very much. See you next time.